Welcome to my channel, Car Projects. Today we're going to do an unboxing of this Daytona low profile. You can get this at your local Harbor Freight. The reason I got it is because I had another one. It was at Pittsburgh, but it bended and then it wasn't holding the car up. As you can see, I couldn't lift that car up to change the tire, so I ended up having to replace it. But just wanted to show you what it looks like, what it comes with. Heard a lot of good reviews about him. So 1 second. Okay, so this particular one is the low profile, but it's not the extended, it's the regular one. And it cost me 160. Well, that's the price of it. It actually cost me like 20 bucks. And the reason is because when I returned the old one, they gave me credit for to buy this one. So go ahead and remove the lid. Whenever you buy this, make sure you have somebody with you because it is very heavy. It is very heavy, probably like 50 pounds, no more, almost 100 pounds. Does it say how much it weighs there by any chance?
3 tons.
99. 100 pounds. Okay, so go ahead and take this off. Alright, so that's the bar. It has a clip on here. So go ahead and clip it on. You put that in there. You put that in there. Yes. Press on the button. Okay, so there's the bar. It's pretty heavy. Oops. Pretty sturdy and heavy. Okay, there you go. It has a manual. I don't know if you really need a manual, but it says, "Congratulations, you're a proud owner of a professional Daytona floor jack." Open this. And here's the jack. Okay. Alright, so this is the booklet that he brought. Since it's a Harbor Freight jack, it tells you the different tools that they have. I don't know if I will buy one of these, to be honest. I will probably just get the what one. That's the one I have. Anyways, it says it has a 90-day limited warranty, but I actually bought like a 2-year warranty with it. It tells you what it does, how to handle it, how to lift, how to take care of it, how do you bleed the air, what it cannot do and use, how to disassemble it. That's kind of cool. Alright, here you go. Onto the jack. Take that out. Oh, that thing broke. Yeah. It's okay. Anyway, this is the jack. I'm guessing this is where you put the grease or whatever. So, come here. Come here. Hold this. Just leave that in. Hold it like this. Alright. This is very heavy. Oh shit. A lot heavier than the other one. So, alright, so before using it, you're gonna have to remove this right here. It's like a little safety. All you do is press on this, and when you press on it, pull it up, and it releases it. You want to loosen this up. Let me see that. And then you put this on. And then you want to put this on. Back on. And that prevents it from falling off. Anyway. No. Let's see. Bearings are pretty good. Go ahead, move it. This is a 10-year-old movie then. See how easy it is. Is it real heavy? Okay. Let me see. It's supposed to be a rapid jack, so let's go lift the car. Position the jack, and it's supposed to be an easy lift. I don't have to really struggle, so I'm gonna have my kid do it. Go ahead. Yep. Oh, he's barely struggling. That's pretty good. Hey, give me that. Keep going. I need you to lift it higher. Is it getting hard?
It seems harder again.
Because it's lifting with all your weight. It's not bad. Let me see. I'm very impressed. I lifted it pretty quick. Now I'll be able to change the tire, but lifted it very quick. It's very easy to use. Alright, so as you can see, even a 10-year-old can lift the whole car with this kind of jack. They're pretty good. Where I live, a lot of the shops buy these kind of jacks. I always see them, the Daytona ones always tell me they're pretty good. Of course they have their snap-ons and other ones, but if you're just a DIYer, this is definitely something that you want. And I have spend a little extra bucks and just get one of these, especially for entry level. This one lifted the van pretty easy, and that's all I really need. I'm not gonna do big rigs or anything, but they do have bigger ones. They have different colors. This one is black, they have red, they have orange, they have green, and yellow. The yellow one is the more expensive one. It's like a $300 one, but it's I think it's like a 7-ton or something like that. But yeah. Okay, so put a little jack stand there. Remember, always safety first. Keep a jack stand there, but to lift it, you turn it. Oh, look, I barely turn it and it's low right now. And there you go. So yeah. Okay, so that was the unboxing and a small how to use and what it does. A small introduction. There you go. It's a small introduction of the Daytona 3-ton low profile high performance floor jack. You know, they sell at Harbor Freight. Again, it's a really good one for entry. It's not a sponsored video. They're not paying me to show you this. I'm just doing it because, like I said, a lot of shops around here have these kind of jacks, and I see them, and they always seem to do a pretty good job. So, why not? And for the price, really, you're doing DIY stuff, you know, why not? It is heavy though. It's 100 pounds, but the bearings on there. They're pretty good. Okay. So that's something the other one didn't have. The Pittsburgh that I had, that one was very hard to move around. It made so much loud noise every time you move it, and then it just kind of died on me. So every time I would lift it, it wouldn't lift the car anymore. But yeah, that's it. Hope you liked the video. Give it a like, and again, subscribe to my channel. Bye.